So the nut on this side gets loose, the bolt in there, and causes these sticks, because they're so close together on this machine, it causes this one to lean too much to this side, so they rub, which makes mowing in a straight line almost impossible because you're fighting each other trying to hold this one out while you try to go straight. So I'm gonna see if we have the correct wrenches in the truck, see if I can get that tightened.
One eternity later.
Can't find a single 1/2-inch wrench in the whole truck, so I gotta try to use this adjustable. But the problem with that is there's the bolt I need to tighten, but there's this bar, this frame rail is in the way. So to actually get it in on there, see that angle it's on? So wrench won't actually stay on the thing.
One eternity later.
So that's fixed. See what I mean? Oops. So see what I mean? They're close already, but when that gets loose, they touch, and you can't make a straight line. So that's good. Tire's not spinning.
No.
The Mowed. This just came off from under there. This was off. So, pretty sure that piece is a parking brake, because I looked on the other side and there's another exact piece like it, but mounted right next to the wheel. It doesn't look like it was a fresh brake. It looks like it broke a while ago and it's just been hanging on there, and then it finally fell off all the way and got jammed in the rim, because if you look at the rim, it's all scratched on the inside where it's been rubbing. So I'm gonna finish this up here, but I only have a couple more passes that he wasn't able to do here, so I'm gonna do that.